Hello, lovely people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. Happy Sunday to you all. In today's video, I share with you this delicious Sunday special soup, assorted meat and fish pepper soup. Let's get right into it. I'll blend together onion, garlic, ginger, scallion, tomato paste, aniseed, and habanero pepper. I'll blend until it is smooth and then set it on the side. You can use any preferred fresh meat of choice. I have here goat meat, beef, goat tripe, pre-cooked salted pork feet. I'll add chopped onion and my blended vegetables. I'll add in my beef seasoning, or you can use any seasoning of choice. I'll give it a good mix, cover it, and allow it to steam for about 10 minutes. I didn't add any salt because of the salted pork. You can add salt if you prefer. My meat has steamed for about 10 minutes. I'll give it a good stir, and then I'll add in some grain of salim. I allowed my meat to steam for another 10 minutes, gave it a good stir, and then I'll add in my water. Add in my onions, carrots, garden eggs or eggplants. I'll add in some more habanero peppers, a bit more water, and I'll allow the soup to boil until the vegetables become tender. As soon as the vegetables becomes tender or when it is cooked, I'll remove it out of the soup. I'll blend it and then bring it back into the soup. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. I am so grateful that you're here watching my video, and I hope you learned something new today. Before I'll add in my blended vegetables, I've added my fresh tilapia. You can use any fresh fish of choice. I've now added in my blended vegetables. I rinsed out my blender and also added it to the soup. I also added in one Maggi tablet, some more habanero pepper for extra heat, my fresh basil, and now I'll allow the soup to boil until it is very well cooked. And this should take about, let's say, 20 to 30 minutes. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you for always coming back to watch my videos. God bless you. 30 minutes later, our soup is done and ready to be served. You can serve this with any starch of choice. I'll be enjoying this with fufu. Yes, you can have this with rice or any starch of choice. I hope you give this recipe a try. It is so easy, guys. This is one of the freshest and delicious soup that you can ever make on a Sunday for your family. My family really enjoy this soup. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye, guys.